A bridge, a symbol of connection, a testament to human ingenuity. The Pamban Bridge, a marvel of engineering, stands tall, connecting Rameswaram Island to the mainland. But behind this majestic structure lies a tale of unwavering determination, relentless hard work, and sacrifice. For 3 long years, a dedicated team of engineers and laborers poured their hearts and souls into this ambitious project. Braving the scorching heat, the relentless rain, and the unforgiving sea, they worked tirelessly, day and night. Each day brought new challenges, each obstacle a test of their resilience. Engineers meticulously planned and executed risk assessments, ensuring the safety and stability of the bridge. The impact of the Pamban Bridge extends far beyond its physical presence. It has breathed new life into the local economy, attracting tourists and creating new opportunities for the residents of Rameswaram. The bridge has become a symbol of unity, a place where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate and connect. It's a testament to the power of infrastructure to bring communities closer. The moment of truth arrived. The first train, a symbol of hope and progress, traversed the bridge. The collective sigh of relief echoed through the air as the bridge stood strong, a testament to their unwavering dedication. The Pamban Bridge is more than just a structure. It's a symbol of unity, a bridge between worlds. It's a testament to the human spirit. A reminder of what can be achieved when passion, perseverance, and teamwork come together. To the engineers, the laborers, the countless individuals who work tirelessly to make this dream a reality. We extend our heartfelt gratitude. Your sacrifice, your dedication, your unwavering commitment have brought us closer together. As the Pamban Bridge welcomes tourists from far and wide, let us remember the individuals who made this journey possible. Their tireless efforts have paved the way for a new era of connectivity and prosperity. The Pamban Bridge is more than just a structure. It's a legacy that will be cherished for generations to come. It's a reminder that with determination, perseverance, and a touch of human ingenuity, we can overcome any obstacle and create a brighter future. Thank you.